kunin mo yung flap niya dito, dito nakadikit. Pero, unahin mong tanggalin ito. Alright? Again, you're gonna find this in the book. Kung ano mo to, ito ang tanggalin nyo, why? Ito, tatanggalin nyo. Ito, tatanggalin nyo. So, marirender nyo na ganito. Nakaganon. Okay? So, those gloves usually are covered or actually inside a sterile cover. Okay? So, nakaganon siya. Yan. Meron isa dyan. Alright? Then, nasa loob. Nasa loob. Yeah. Yes, like that. Very good. We have them, can we demo it? So, nakaganito siya. Alright? Okay. So, naka-fold siya. Sterile gloves usually are folded. Why? Right? Okay. So, with this, okay, ito yung sterile nyo, usually nakaganito, di ba? You grab this, you grab the edge of the fold. Yung pinaka-hem, yung line na kung saan nag-fold, okay? And then, you do that. Alright? Oops, no. Okay, no, not yet. Alright? Nagay ko to. Alin ang sterile dito? Labas, loob? Labas. I will now get the other one. The other one like this. Okay? Like this kasi I don't like to touch the unsterile part. Okay? I will grab it like this. Sterile ito, hindi ko hinahawakan. And then put it. Alright? Okay, that's how you do it. Para pag nasa workplace kayo with your client, alam nila that you know it. Right? Hindi kayo right? Hindi lang yung matakupo kayo gusto tatala sa akin. Alright? Because in every move, sa pasyente, may kinahabi na i-wash your hands.
Tama.